Hi everyone, it's me, your Madhi sir. I'm here today to explain you about before the match of class 8. See students, this lesson is extract is taken or written by R.K. Narayan. Take page number 19, open your textbook ready, keep your pencils ready. First I read complete text once, complete lesson once, then you have a look once, have a glance once, then I'll explain you line by line. See students, again I repeat page number 19. R.K. Narayan was an Indian writer, one who was among the three most important writers who carved a place of Indian writing in English. In his first novel, Swami and his friends, he describes the adventures of a group of schoolboys which was done in 1930s. This is an extract from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Extract means lesson. The match was to be played on Sunday, 2 weeks later. Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. He himself could be depended upon to not let down the team. Mani was steady if unimpressive. He could be depended upon to stop with his head if necessary and ball. His batting was not too bad. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. On him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He was only a fortnight off. He did not seem to care for practice. Swami Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evening. Then certainly Rajam, if you can suggest a way, why not? Why can't you tell your headmaster that? Oh, no. Swaminathan cried. I'm grateful to you for your suggestion, but let's not to think of that man. I don't care. What I want is that you should have a good practice. If you keep any batsman standing more than 5 minutes in a field, I will never see your face again. Then this was said by Rajam to Swaminathan. Just 7 days before a match, Swaminathan realized that how evenings were more precious than ever. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground, but different to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. All others were. Come to page number 20. Turn your page. Their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and passed on muttering, you won't get leave, coat and cap off. Swaminathan became desperate and pursued him. So, I am in terrible state of health. I can't attend drill every day. I shall die if I do so. The drill master had come to the last boy and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. He turned round and Swaminathan was a fierce oath. What's the matter with you? So, the whole of the last night I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by the piece of news. You were delirious? Then, I didn't sleep a wink last night, sir. I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend a drill work for a week to come. I don't believe a word. Get out from here. Everybody at the field was very happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with the joy. The next day morning he formed a plan to be free on all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning and he had still 2.5 hours before for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. He stood before a shop in front of which hung the board, Dr. T. Kesavan, L.M. and S. Sri Krishna dispensary. Swaminathan found that the doctor was alone and free in the clinic and entered in the shop. Hello Swaminathan, what's the matter with you? Doctor, I have got to a doctor's certificate immediately. What's the matter with you? I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play a match next week against YMU. You mean Young Men's Union Cricket Team. And I must have some practice. and yet every evening there is a drill class scouting some drill period in other one or another. Come to page number 21. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30, it would help me MCC to win the match. Well, I could do it. But is there anything wrong with you? Swaminathan took off a second to find the answer. Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that I have delirium. Boy, did you say delirium? You mean, what exactly do you mean by delirium? I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomachache? No. The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing suddenly shook him. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and declared him to be in the pink of health. And he told him that he would do well to do the drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have his evening free. But the doctor said, it is all very well, but I should be very prosecuted if I gave you a such type of certificate to you. Who is going to find out, doctor? Do you want to our MCC to lose the match? I wish you all the success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your headmaster about you and your request to him, and I can ask him to leave you after 4:30 without any drill practice. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Then they have played the match. They have won the match. This is the story, students. Now let us see the complete summary line by line. Come to page number 19. 19. See, students, R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is an Indian writer. He is the foremost important writer in our English literature. Then his first novel was Swami and His Friends. In that novel, he describes that how school boys in 1930s, that he explained in that novel, and about their works, how they were bunking the class, how they were playing, their habitats, and everything he has explained in that. Even a hero, maybe you might have studied that lesson too. A hero, it is a lesson which is being taken from this novel only. Very good stories. Even he used to convey very good messages, but often he used to write or create the stories based on only the students and school boys or school girls, or the very good moral stories through 1930s boys and girls, you mean school students. So this lesson also being taken from his first novel, that is what Swami and His Friends in 1930. This extract is from Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. Then you see here, now you come to the title. What is this before the match? What do you mean by before match? In the sense, you know the game. Which game here? Cricket. You mean cricket is the game here. Before the cricket match. What will happen before the cricket match? We practice well. Am I right or not? What will happen before the cricket match? What do we do before cricket match? Let any match. What we do? We practice, of course. In the same way, even R.K. Narayan is going to explain about how the practice is important before a match. Which match? Cricket match. Here, he explains, and also he brought two teams here. One is MCC and one more is YMU. These are two teams. Now we see which team is going to play, which team is going to win, how the preparation was, who is the main player here, who is the captain here, what they were thinking, what they were discussing about the match, who now will come, the characters, that, these everything we see one by one. Let's come to the lesson. The match was to be played on Sunday, 2 weeks later. You mean match tournament is fixed. After 2 weeks, you mean coming Sundays, there is a match. Rajam lost all peace of mind. Rajam is the captain of MCC team. Rajam is the captain, I repeat again. Rajam is the team captain of MCC. There are two teams here. One is MCC and one more is YMU. Rajam is the captain of MCC. If you want, you can write down there aside in a pencil. Then he had, he has lost his peace of mind because he felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU. He himself could be dependent upon not to let down the team. Money was steady. See, besides being a captain, everybody will do, everybody will be thinking only that. You mean he will be thinking about the players also who are needed for a team to play and to make the match to win. And also a captain, he will be thinking that sometimes the whole team will depend on him. Even he used to play also in such a way. Even he will be thinking when he was in such a worrying mode, even he was depending on other players and he will be thinking only about that YMU team, that how that team is, how that players are, then who is good, who is not good, where, how, when to out, then how to catch, this all, how to play the trick, this all he will be thinking. At that time, Money was steady if unimpressive. He could not be dependent upon to stop with his head, if necessary, any ball. You mean he has to depend on he has to depend, besides being a captain, he has to depend on players. Among those players, Money is also a player, but we cannot depend on him because sometimes he may play and sometimes he cannot play. Then he could be dependent because his batting was not bad, but we can't depend on him, like Sehwag. There was only one player who caused him the deepest anxiety day and night. But okay, he is thinking about all the players that whom I can expect more. So even obviously you will be knowing much more about cricket, that what all the things will be happening. So who are the good players, who is your favorite player, all will be knowing. Now here I don't want to bring any cricket team here. Just I'll be explaining only the lesson. You understand and you imagine as if it is really happening. Then he will be thinking only about one boy day and night, and also he is depending only on him, one who is good. Who is that? That only he was, see, on him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He thinks, you mean I should hand over the complete match responsibility on that player. He is only suitable person. If he comes to our team, if he plays well, then that YMU team will never win against us. So I should take him. I should request him. Then who is he? Then you see, he was the Tate of the team. Tate is nothing but main person. You underline there. Tate means main person. He will be the main person to our team, and he looked uncertain. Even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care of practice. Swami Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least 1 hour practice in the evening. Certainly, Rajam, if you can suggest a way, then see students here. A person, Rajam, a captain about whom he is thinking here, he is thinking and he is depending only on one player, that is none other than Swami. But here, he is worrying about Swami's practice because he has no practice nowadays. So, when Rajam requested Swami to have a practice every day evening, he asks a suggestion to escape from a school evening hours to Rajam. You mean he is asking a suggestion to Rajam to say a suggestion to escape from school, because every day there will be after school hours they used to conduct some drill work or gymnastic work in school. That because of that he has no time to practice cricket. Then if you can suggest a way, then why not? Tell your headmaster that. Then Rajam says, why do you worry about that? Directly, why can't you inform your headmaster about that cricket match and you have to practice and you can inform about your practice too? Then, oh, no, Swaminathan cried, that's all. Then cried is nothing but he said, I am very grateful for your suggestion, but let us not think about that man. Okay, your suggestion is very good, but I will think one more way. How can I come out from that gymnastic or from that drill work after our school works? But I don't want to think about that. Headmaster is very strict and strong and strength enough against the students. Then I don't care. What I want this is, then Rajam says, I don't care about those things and all. I want you to practice well. If you keep any opposite team batsman while we are playing more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face. You mean you have to bowl well against whom? YMU cricket team. No player from YMU team should stand in the crease more than 5 minutes. If they stand so, I don't see your face forever. That is the condition which Rajam, being a captain, he told to Swami. Then just 7 days before the match, then days are passed, no practice for Swami. Before 7 days to the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious than ever. Then he came to know the worth of evenings, and he came to know the value and worth of time, that and also to practice. Because you see, even we will be telling you that read. You people, you won't read at all. When the exam timetable will be announced, or when we say that from next week your exams are going to be conducted, you people will be in hurry at that time. Then sir, that sir, this sir, you will be that at that time you will realize the time which you have wasted. In the same way, Swaminathan also is thinking that his evenings are very precious from this year after. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest and the drill ground, and he, different to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. All others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and paused on muttering, you mean saying something in violent way or in low voice. You won't get leave. Coat and cap off. Swaminathan became desperate and persuaded him, sir, I am in terrible state of my health. I can't attend a drill today. I shall die if I do. See what he says here, that every day evening, soon after the bell rings, everybody, they will stand in a line, they will make a line to go in a line. Obviously, even they too, they were doing same thing. When they were going in a line, then he used to say the reason, one or another reason to his master. Drill master means PT teacher, to escape from that drill work, because he wanted to go there to practice cricket match along with his friends over there. Then they will be waiting for Swaminathan there. So in the meanwhile, in the same way, this Swaminathan will say one or another reason to this drill master, but this drill master got angry and he said that you get out from here. Because the reason, what did he say? No sir, my health condition is not good. I should not supposed to play. I should not supposed to attend this drill work. Doctor said, if I attend, I may die, sir. I shall die. Then he says the drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. You mean the drill master was coming in a line to check the boys how they were standing in a line. The Swaminathan was pulling the boy, one was standing next to him. He returned around on Swaminathan and he warned Swaminathan for doing such things. And what's the matter with you, Swaminathan? What's wrong with you? Sir, the whole last night I did not sleep properly, sir. The drill master was stunned. You mean when he was going in a line, he was going to the boys one by one. The boy, one was standing next to Swaminathan. The Swaminathan was pulling that boy. Suddenly that was noticed by the drill master. The drill master questioned him, what's wrong with you, Swaminathan? Obviously, we too will ask when such things will happen in our school, right? In the same way, the drill master questioned him. When he questioned him, then he said that since last night I did not sleep properly, then what's wrong with you? When he heard that piece of news that he did not sleep from last night, then he got angry, and you see, I did not sleep in last night, sir. I was delirious. Our doctor said, you mean my doctor had told me, he has asked me not to attend a drill work even for 1 week, because next week there will be a match, right? He wanted to practice every day evening without practicing this drill, and he also wanted to join his friends who are already waiting for him in the field. Then I don't believe a word. You go out from here. I think you are telling lies. Get lost from here. You go out. Then you see everybody in the field happily waiting for Swaminathan there. Then the next day morning, then see everybody at the field was happy to see him. You mean Swaminathan reached already in the field. Everybody is very happy because he is the main person, one who joined them. They are so happy as if they got strong and very good strength for the team. Rajam jumped with the joy. Then captain is so happy, very much delighted by seeing Swaminathan. Then the next day morning, he formed a plan. Then next day morning, he wanted, because each and every day he wanted to tell one or another reason to come out from that even drill work. That is the reason he next day he is thinking and he is making another plan, that it was 7:30 in the morning 7:30, and he had still 2.5 hours to go school. You mean still I am having 2.5 hour time to go. What I can plan now? Swaminathan slipped out from the house. You mean he came out from the house? He stood before a shop. Where the shop? In front of which he hung the board. There was a board. He had come to the main road and he was planning that how can I escape every day? What is the permanent reason I can give him to come out every day? Then I can't tell each and every day one or another reason. So there must be certain reason. For 1 week he should not supposed to ask me anything. What can I plan? Then suddenly he has seen a board which was hung on the road. What was that board? There was a clinic, you mean hospital. Dr. Kesavan LM and S. Sri Krishna dispensary. You mean that board was put there. Like so and so clinic. Then Swaminathan noticed that doctor was alone inside. Then he entered inside. Then you see the conversation between the doctor and Swaminathan. Doctor and Swaminathan. What did Swami ask doctor? What did tell Swaminathan? Then, hello Swaminathan, what's the matter? Doctor asks whom? Swaminathan. Swami, what's wrong with you? Doctor, I have got to have a doctor certificate immediately. Sorry sir, I am bothering you. I need immediately one doctor certificate from you. Then, what's the matter with you? What for? Why? Why do you need that? Sir, I will tell you the truth. Doctor, I have to play cricket match next week. Against which team? YMU. YMU is nothing but Young Men's Union. That is the team. I wanted to play a match next week against the team. So I must have to practice. You mean I need some practice. And yet evening, I am not at all allowed from my school. Compulsory we have to be in school to practice the drill work. But I wanted to escape from that. My PT master is very strict. He won't let me to come out from that. So I wanted to submit this certificate and I wanted to escape from that drill work for 1 week. I have to practice more and more to win against that YMU match, YMU team, sorry. Then if you could give me a certificate, it will be very helpful for me. Then at every 4:30, I can come out. Then I can play in favor of MCC and I can make my MCC team to win against YMU team. Then, well, I can do it, no problem. But is there anything wrong with you? If I want to get you a certificate, I should know that is any wrong with you. You mean, are you having any physical problem with you? Then only I can give you. He says that he took half a second to find out an answer. Then he was not at all, nothing wrong with him. Then he says, certainly, I am begging to feel of late that I have delirium. He says that, sir, I am suffering from delirium. Suddenly he shocked. You mean, what do you mean by delirium? Do you know what the meaning of that? Boy, did you say delirium? You mean, are you telling delirium you are having? You mean, are you suffering from delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium? Do you know? He says, no sir, I don't know exact meaning. Then is it regarding stomachache, sir? You mean, is it stomachache? The doctor laughed at him. Then he says, after that, he looked Swaminathan under eye. You mean, he examined Swaminathan and he checked his tongue, tapped his chest, declared him that his health is very good, and even he has told him to stick on his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. And he has advised him, okay, your health is okay, you are fit and fine and strong and good, but if you wanted to come out from your delirium, you need that drill work more. Then only the drill work will make you mentally strong. What do you mean by drill work in the sense, students? We will be telling you often in the class, right? Sir, I will be reading this, sir. Yesterday whole night I read this, sir. No, I forgot, sir. Memory loss, sir. It is not like that. So you mean we forget that. That is called as a delirium. Okay. Then doctor laughed at him. Then he said, you are good, fit and fine. But one thing, if you wanted to escape from the delirium, if you are already suffering, that is the only one reason that you must have to stay only in the school to escape from that delirium. Then doctor said, okay, you are good, well and fine, it's all right. Then I should be prosecuted if I give you any such certificates. You mean, okay, there is no wrong with this, I can get you the certificate. But one thing I tell you, I don't want to get you like this wrong certificate. If I get you this wrong certificate, maybe I may be wrong, and also I will be punished by the government if anybody notices that. Then who is going to find out that, sir? You, sir, no problem. Do you want our MCC to lose the match? You mean, see, sir, you are also not supporting. When you don't do this, our match, maybe we may lose our match. So you help us, sir. Nobody will come and check you, sir. Give, sir, nothing will happen. I can submit for 1 week. I will escape, sir. Give, sir. Now we will be asking, right? In such a way, even he was pleasing. He was requesting. He was asking whom? A doctor. Then I wish you all success. Don't worry. I wish you very best. I wish you all the best. You will get success. Don't worry. But I can't give you any certificate because I will talk to your headmaster behalf of you, and I'll ask and I'll request and even I please him to request you or to allow you after 4 o'clock, after your last bell, and even I will ask your headmaster to get you the permission to come out from your school without attending this drill work for 1 week. Then soon after bell 4:30, I will ask your HM to relieve you. You mean to allow you to come out. You can join your team and you can practice well for 1 week. After that match, as usually, you can participate in your school works. Okay, sir. Then you do so. Then that will do. Okay, that we will do instead of getting this duplicate certificate. That as if you are not well, it may cause even damage to me and even for you also. We both may be get into trouble. Why we should do so? So this is the way what actually doctor had taught a very good lesson when he had planned cunning tricks against that. Then you are very kind to me. See, I know what you are, how good you are. I am very kind to you. You will be very kind to me always. So let our relationship be like this forever. I will get you, I will help you, definitely I will support you, I will make you assured to participate in your team and to practice good and to make your team to win the match. Definitely I support. Then as per that guideline, he had spoken to his headmaster and the headmaster has granted the permission to Swami. Then Swaminathan used to go for 1 week to practice the match. He has already practiced well, and finally against YMU team, MCC team had won the match. Here Swami had played very good, crucial, essential, vital, significant role to make his team to win the match, and even Rajam was very happy and his team players were very happy. This is what had happened before match. Now you have got my point. Before match what had happened? Before match what happened? So practiced. You mean they have practiced well. Before practice they wanted to escape from these things which were there in the school, so that before the match doctor helped Swaminathan to take permission from the headmaster and to make his team to win the match. I hope you have understood the story. For further doubts regarding this lesson will be explained in another class. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind.